Girl, I mean, more than one.
Juneteenth celebration in Illinois turned into a tragedy when at least 23 people were injured, one fatally when gunfire erupted early Sunday at a Juneteenth celebration in suburban Chicago. The shooting unfolded about 12:30 a.m. in the parking lot of a strip mall in Willowbrook, about 23 miles west of Chicago. An unknown number of suspects fired multiple rounds from multiple weapons into the large crowd of people gathered to celebrate Juneteenth, which was attended by more than 200 teenagers and young adults. Witnesses and law enforcement said that the Juneteenth celebration was peaceful until the shooting started. Several other victims were injured in the chaos as people attempted to flee the area. The victims are being treated in the hospitals in the area. Officials said the celebration started around 6 p.m. local time and the police were in the area monitoring the scene. Around 12:25 a.m. local time, the police officers in Willowbrook 3 responded to sounds of gunshots coming from the parking lot of a strip mall, the DuPage County Sheriff's Office said in a statement on Sunday afternoon. A peaceful gathering in celebration of Juneteenth turned violent last night, the Sheriff's Office added. No suspects have been arrested and the police are still investigating the motive for the attack. Detectives are still in the process of interviewing all the victims and witnesses as well as reviewing camera footage from the area. Businesses near the scene of shooting will remain closed until further notice. The eruption of gunfire was one of at least 11 mass shootings nationwide this weekend, raising this year's total to 309, according to the Gun Violence Archive, which defines a mass shooting as an incident in which 4 or more people are shot or killed, excluding the shooter. Gun violence has killed nearly 20,000 people so far this year, according to the organization's tracking data. In St. Louis, 1 person was killed and 9 others were wounded on Sunday around 1:45 a.m. local time. In Decatur, 5 people were shot outside a nightclub also on Sunday early morning.